All right, YouTube, to make lemon pepper wings, all you need is the drumsticks or wing package, olive oil, lemon pepper, and you need a bowl. Put these wings in the bowl and we'll get started. All right, YouTube, so take some olive oil and put that over the wings. Take your lemon pepper and spread that on there. You want to shake this up a bit, and then we want to flip these over. All right, YouTube, so take more olive oil and put it on the other side, and take that lemon pepper and spread that and just mix it around and let this sit for like 15 minutes. All right, YouTube, so we have this on air fry. Put this on 20 minutes. Temp 390. And let it preheat. All right, YouTube, so we have these wings in a single layer and evenly spread. Let's put them in the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so we have them in there. Push them in the air fryer, and they're going to go for 390 at 20 minutes. We're going to flip it. We're going to stop it at 10 minutes and flip the wings. It's that easy. All right, YouTube, so it's halfway through. Pull these out and just flip your wings, flip them over, and that's all you have to do. So we flip them over, push it back in, and let it go for the remaining 9 minutes, and we're done. We can eat. And there you have it, YouTube, your lemon pepper wings. That only took 20 minutes, and all you needed is lemon pepper seasoning and olive oil. It's so simple. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and I will bring you on many more wing recipes and other air fryer recipes in the future. Love you, Dan Soy. Bye-bye.